All right, we have more news coming in. This has got to do with the Prime Minister's visit. He is all set to land in Jammu and Kashmir any moment now. He will be unveiling the game-changer Chenab Bridge. This is the first visit of the Prime Minister in Jammu and Kashmir after the horrific Pahalgam attack. Security has been beefed up ahead of the visit of the Prime Minister. I'm going straight across to Mir Farid, getting in more details at this point in time. He joins us from Srinagar this morning. Mir, this is the strongest and the loudest message to Pakistan and those fomenting trouble in this region. That when you focus on terror, we focus on rehabilitation. We focus on development. We focus on ensuring that Jammu and Kashmir, along with the entire country, grows and progresses, isn't it?
Well, yes, absolutely, Sneha. In fact, this is a big day for Kashmir because it's a dream that was visualized 42 years ago. Dream of train to Kashmir, and finally the day has come. Many delays, many postponements, but the day is here. Prime Minister will inaugurate, flag off the Vande Bharat. I am right now in Naugam railway station in Srinagar, and this is the train which will simultaneously run. As soon as the Prime Minister flags off Vande Bharat Katra to Srinagar, this train will also start chugging. Now, it is all decked up, and it is a big day, as you rightly said. There is a lot of messaging in this as well, because Kashmir, we know, because of terrible road connection, every now and then the road used to get shut, and it used to cause immense difficulties for the natives, for the localites. Air travel used the rates, the rates used to go through the roof, and it was clearly not in the range of a common man. So this is going to bring relief in more than one way. Travelers, yes, but also, Sneha, importantly, it will provide massive economic boost as well, because you have the horticulture industry, which forms the backbone of valley economy, and they had been, in fact, requesting the government of India that train services should start. They'll get goods trains and they can send their produce in a quick time. Also save money as they do it to send their produce right up to south to various fruit mandis of the country. And then for tourism, for pilgrimage, we know Amarnath Yatra is also happening in a month's time, so this can be used by Yatris as well. This is all-weather reliable train connection, and as I said, this is going to be a game changer for the Kashmir Valley. The Prime Minister in Jammu and Kashmir, his first visit after the Pahalgam attack, and as you rightly talked about the messaging is that we are for peace, we are for development, and there is no place for terrorism in that. World's highest railway bridge, which again is an engineering marvel. You won't find this kind of a technology or a bridge at those heights anywhere in the world. So this showcases the kind of difficulties this rail line had, and the kind of mountainous track, the geographical difficulties which were overcome by the railways. Took a lot of time, but finally this engineering marvel is, this dream has been fulfilled, and today is a historic day for Kashmir. A lot of expectations, people and are hopeful that this will ease their travel woes, but at the same time will also bring, usher a developmental era where there will be fast-track development, economy will get a boost, and this train will act as the much-needed relief and game changer for the Kashmir Valley. Sneha?
Absolutely.